Hey people, so this is where we are staying and this is how it is, and look at these dogs, they are following me. Hello. गड़बड़ कितने गड़बड़ करते तुम. Alumida. And that is a Zostel there. Come. I befriended one and I think they communicated that I'm very friendly to the others. No, look at them, they are following me. Yeah, all three of them. Jonah. So it's Zostel is well known, right, as a thing. So I'll come here and fill some water. How are you, cuckoo? And there is this Mantra cafe where we had dinner last night. And I'm walking as I'm recording all this. But Zostel is a good brand, yeah. Seriously. I mean, it's very classy and all of that. And this is how it looks. I will come here I want to basically fill water. So that's what I want to do. These are the cottages that you have in Zostel. Zostel is a brand has been built over years, I think, so it's really good. I wish I could take you all inside, but I'm not staying in Zostel, so but it's now I'll fill some water. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.